Why, hello everyone. This is Uncle James here. I'm sharing with you the vision boards and goals of my team members. Now, this is part two. Uh, so, remember, success leaves clues. You must have a positive mental attitude. You must believe that you can achieve it. Okay, you have to believe and act on it. You have to do the work. As a man thinketh, so is he. So now this goal and this vision board is by Esther. She is one of our team members, and we kind of call her, she's one of the big sisters. Um, and so here's some of her goals. She wants to be self-employed, and she wants to build a good network. She also wants to prepare for her retirement. She wants to have a good savings so that she can retire in a very strong financial way where finances will not be an issue during her retirement. And she also wants to give. She wants to be a blessing to others, to help humanity. Now, it is extremely important that we help those that we help our siblings. We're all siblings. We need to help our fellow man, fellow lady. This is something that is required of us. We must give that helping hand. Okay, now we're looking at here, these are the goals and vision boards for Saddle. Now Saddle, he's the project manager. He's kind of like my right hand. We talk on a regular basis. And so here's some of his goals. One, he wants to recover his health. He wants to get it back 100%. He really enjoys traveling. He does a whole lot of traveling. Um, just about every time I speak with Saddle on the telephone, he is preparing a song. He calls it making music, but then he writes lyrics. He's a rapper. He doesn't necessarily create the beats, but he does create the lyrics and does some production. And he does a really good job with that. And so here, these are some of his goals. Okay, now this is T-Fix. Now T-Fix and Saddle, they're like brothers. Kind of like when you see one, you see the other. But here are some of T-Fix's goals. Now let me say this to you. He had a goal here, a dream of moving into a new apartment. And at the time of this recording, uh, they have they have found a new apartment. They are waiting for the construction to finish. Okay, there's some minor things that they have to take care of. They haven't quite moved in yet, but they're waiting for some things to be completed with the apartment. And I just want to say this. You need to put those dreams and goals before you. You must have a vision board. You must post your goals. You must post your dreams. You must have a mind movie. And when you do these things, you will begin to see all of this. Whatever it is you're believing for, you begin to see all of this come to pass. Okay? Okay, now this is Peace's her vision board. We call her Lady Peace. Lady Peace, these are her dream board, her vision board for 2024. She wants to put more effort in and work hard. I think that's a very good dream. She wants to give more. Um, she wants to get a laptop, and then she wants to spend less and save more. That is extremely important. So those are some of her financial goals, some of her personal goals, and these are just a must. You must do this. There's absolutely no way around it. Thank you, peace. Okay, everyone. This is the vision goals, his vision board and goals for Aberstein. Now, Aberstein has divided his goals by monthly. He's divided them into months. And so he has set the things that he wants to see happen for each month. Now, this is extremely important. When you set your goals and your dreams, you must have a deadline. You must have a deadline in which it can be accomplished. Now, if you happen to fall short of the deadline, that is okay. You just simply go back and you revise the deadline date, okay? But you must do something that will bring you closer to your goal. Every day, every day, every day, do something that brings you closer to your goal. Now, for May, he wants to provide his dad to become a driver. Okay. Currently, his father is a mechanic. He works on vehicles, but his father has Abercine has a dream for his dad to own his own like taxi service, kind of like it's like a rideshare business. Okay. And then in June, he wants to earn $6,000. This is very, very, very possible. It's very doable. He wants to have his team, okay? And then by the end of the year, he wants to build his own house. Currently, he lives in an apartment and he wants to build his own house. These are some very good dreams and goals. I am so proud of every team member. I know that we're working hard, we're putting the work in, and in a very short order, we will see all of these dreams come to pass. You must have a vision board. You have to have a mind movie. There's just absolutely no way around it. Remember, success leaves clues. Success leaves clues. You must have a PMA, a positive mental attitude. As a man thinketh, so is he. You have to say to the mountain, be thou removed. You must walk in your confidence. You need to know that you have been designed to do great things. There is greatness within. Everything I set my hands upon shall prosper, for I am blessed coming in and I am blessed going out. These are things you must believe in and walk in and quote it every day, every day, every day. Do not let a day pass without you working on your dream. Do not let a day pass. Every day, every day, every day, you must do something that brings you closer to the completion of your goal. Now let me speak this blessing over you. Until we meet again, may the Lord continue to bless you and keep you. May he smile upon you, may he be gracious and kind to you, and may he continue to open those doors that have been closed before you. And may he continue to enlarge your territory. Remember, we will live a good, long life. Father, we thank you. A good, long life. Good health. Eyesight not abated. Thank you, and have a great day.